Itron is a global tech company that helps utilities better measure and manage energy and water. This past year, the company's annual conference was planned for Houston. Just 2 months after Hurricane Harvey, as conference planners saw the devastation and the lingering aftermath, there was talk of moving the conference, even canceling it.
And our CEO felt really strongly like that wasn't the right answer. The answer was to bring the conference to Houston to kind of reignite that economic impact that we could bring, that we could re-engage, show the community the support that we have for them, and really create that opportunity.
Not only did Itron choose to support Houston's economy, they wanted to help the most impacted by Harvey. They asked the Red Cross what they could do. And this was the answer. Itron employees, customers, and distributors put together comfort care bags for families displaced by Harvey and the flooding that followed.
Personal hygiene items, just kind of things to get, families kind of back on their feet. I mean, being completely stranded from your home without your hairbrush or a toothbrush or toothpaste or, a towel and stuff like that. It was just cool to be able to know that we could, put stuff together for a family that had nothing.
The Red Cross delivered pallets of supplies, and Itron teams put together 2,500 bags for displaced families.
Itron is very driven in mission and purpose. That's what our business is about. So to be able to do that for a community who had been impacted by natural disaster, which they lost power, they had limited access to water. I mean, there were a lot of issues that were close to our heart, and so it was a really great event.
It's tempting to turn away when we see a community that's hurting. This company jumped in and helped.
It's really a privilege and something of pride to be able to work for a company that's going to take those opportunities to really support communities wherever we are, not just where we work, not just where we have factories, but wherever we can make an impact, we're going to do it.